Well, folks, it's time once again for another update. I've got about 90% of the garden planted, and I'm going to show you what's in and what's still left to be done. Over here in front of the greenhouse, I've got two more beds that are going to go in. Those are going to be for tomatoes. We've got a bunch of perennial type flowers that I started in the greenhouse, and they're going to go here on this back fence. And of course, the girls hear me talking, so they need to be involved. As we look up here to the front, you'll see that a lot of things have changed. I'll try to make sense of it all. I put in roses, hydrangea. That's it on the flower side. Well, I've also got some lilies we've started. And up here in the front, got some more annuals and a verbena. In the very front here, we have some perennial petunia, daisies that haven't come up yet, but then there's, what are these, zinnias? And they are starting to come up, and so they'll be up in about another month or so. The gladiolas are doing great. I've got the herb garden started, moved the German thyme into the garden, got some cilantro, basil, rosemary, moved the chives up here, and they really enjoy that spot. Got some more of the, what is this? This is tickweed. This gets about 2 foot tall. It's a perennial, and it flowers. Transplanted yesterday the peppers. These front couple here are jalapenos, and then the back are just regular bell peppers. They seem to be doing good. Got in a bed, I think there's 18 here, of sweet potatoes, Beauregards. Just planted this yesterday. These are seeds. These are beets. This one over here is still got to be planted, nothing in it yet. And over on the far side, different kinds of tomatoes I got in, and then I think these are crooknecks back here. I'm not positive, but I think that's what's back there. Then this side over here, I've got bok choy growing and more tomatoes, and then some zucchini. And then these are pole beans, which grew really well last year. The front group is something I started from seed inside. And then the back I just put in the seed the other day. You can see they're already starting to get a grip on the wire. So they'll take off. Here we got radishes and some more spring onions. I got more spring onions inside. These are either cukes or zucchini, and I can't remember which is which. And then I've got this bed to plant, this bed to plant, and this one hasn't been finished yet. But once those get in, then I've got more stuff that I can put in there. These girls are the noisiest. Got some more flowers here that are gonna go in. Can't remember the name. These are straight A cukes. I'll probably put those in. What's up, girls? They are noisy. And then over here in the greenhouse again, needs to be watered today. It's hot outside, but still got stuff in here. These I haven't planted yet. These are flavor bombs. If you buy, these are cherry tomatoes at the store. They are the best tasting cherry tomato ever. So still got some of those left over, some more zucchini, a bok choy plant, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Brandywine, beef steaks, more of the tickweed. These are purple coneflowers, don't have any of those in yet. These are Apollo orange, none of those are in yet. You can see my spring onions, a wild potato growing there. Then a bunch of other flowers that I don't even remember the name of. Garzania is one of them, Delphinia is one. These are, what are these? Spaghetti squash. So those will go in pretty soon. What did I have over here? Oh yeah, these were Tower Silver asters. So those all have to go on. So I have a ton. Some more peppers, kale here. These are gardenias, I believe. So a lot of stuff going on. My crazy potato plants. But everything is doing really well.